皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habits, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the telling the time in Japanese. Telling the time is crucial when in terms of the conversation. So let's get started. So telling the time in Japanese, to express the time, the counter suffix ji and pun are used. So you have a number and ji, and then number and fun or pun. Which one to use is depending on the number, fun or pun. I will introduce later on. So let's start with as a warm-up to count from 1 to 10 together. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the up to 10. And then when you learn times, you also need to up to 12. So 11 is 11. So 10 plus 1, 11. Then 12 is 12. Okay. So for example, if you'd like to say 6 o'clock, that will be 6 is a 6. And then you add G. So 6 G. Then written like this way. For example, if you want to say 11 o'clock, that will be 11 G. So it's a simple. So that's a simple one. And then there are irregular pronunciation ones. So for example, 4時. So 4 o'clock is 4 itself is 4, but we don't say 4時. We pronounce as 4時. Repeat after me. 4時. Then 7時. So 7 o'clock is not 7時. We will say 7時. Then 9 o'clock is 9時, not 9時. So those one is a special one. So I put the 特別 in hiragana here. 特別 means special, irregular. So you need to keep in mind when you say a time, that's the irregular one. Okay, so let's learn how to count the minutes in Japanese. Minute is 分 or 分 in Japanese, but depends on the number, it's different. So if it's 257 or 9, that's a 分. Then 1, 3, 4, 6, 8 is a 分. And then there are some other pronunciations, but maybe it's better to just practice pronunciation. Okay? I put the 分 is yellow and 分 is green color. Let's go through minutes pronunciation together. Repeat after me. 1分、2分、3分、4分、5分、6分、7分、8分、9分、10分 or 10分. Good. And if you want to ask the time, you can use a nan. Nan means what? Then you add suffix ji, which is ji, nan ji. So that's how to ask what's the time, nan ji. Then if it's a minute, if you want to ask a minute, nan pun. Okay, nan pun. So let's look at some example. 何時ですか? Then you can say 7時10分です. So, nam is what? Ji is a suffix. This guy's a question. What's the time? What time is it? 7時. So 7 o'clock is we pronounce as 7時. So then 10 minutes is 10分です。Let's look at the example two. 何時ですか ?9 時15分です。So 9 o'clock is a special one, so not pronounce 9時。9時。9時 is a pronunciation. 9時15分です。Okay, so it's your turn to try exercise. How do you say it's 4 a.m.? So 4 o'clock is 4. Then a.m. in Japanese is 午前. So you can say 午前4時. So 4 changed pronunciation is 4時. Another way you can also say is 朝4時. So 朝 means morning, so 朝4時. So two ways you can say that. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 午前4時。はい。は朝4時。はい。So be careful not to 4時。4時。4時。Then 次。Next one. How do you say it's 1:30 p.m. tomorrow? So start with 1 is 1. 30 minutes is 30分. So we did a count in 10 minutes is 10分. So simply if it's 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, same as 10分, but you added 30分. 30分. So you can say 明日の. So start with 明日 means tomorrow. 明日の. Then no is a connection. 午後 is afternoon. 1時半. 半 means half. So you could say, like this, half past is 半. Or you can say, 明日の午後1時30分. So both are okay. So let's practice. Repeat after me. 明日の午後1時半. Or 明日の午後1時30分. Right. One more. How do you say it's 9:20 p.m.? Start. Q is pronounced as 9 is pronounced as Q or K, but in terms of time we use K. Then 20 minutes is 20分. So start with PM. In English is PM is after number, but in Japanese AM PM comes first before number. So 午後 is PM, 9時20分. So that's how we say that. Repeat after me. 午後9時20分. So that's for today's lesson. Well done with your practice. So have you learned how to say time in Japanese? 見てくれてありがとう. Thank you so much for watching. もしもっと学びたかったらオンラインコースをチェックしてみてください. If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have access to all lesson videos and can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more detail. それではまたお会いしましょう. さようなら.